In this video, we're going to look at how clean does my fluid need to be. First, at Bronkhorst, we highly recommend you only use clean and dry gases, free of particulates and free of any traces of liquid in the process line. Secondly, most of our instruments use the bypass technology, which consists of a very small capillary tube with an internal diameter of approximately 0.2 millimeters. These instruments have a stack of laminar flow discs in the main flow path with precisely etched channels in the discs. Both the sensor and the laminar flow element can get easily contaminated when the gas is not clean or dry. When the flow split between the bypass and the main channel is affected, this will cause inaccuracies. In the worst case, the channels get blocked and even need to be replaced. We are talking about the heart of the instrument, and the parts are quite expensive, so you really should avoid contamination. Our mass stream instruments use the inline measuring principle and are less sensitive to contamination, so there is no bypass and there are no tiny channels to worry about. For optimal measurement, there is a flow straightener before the sensor. A positive effect of this flow straightener is that it keeps most pollution away from the sensor. Furthermore, the straight-through channel design and the inside parts are also easier to clean. Generally, before installation, always ensure that the process piping is clean. For absolute cleanliness, always install filters to ensure a moisture and oil-free gas stream. We recommend using an inline filter upstream of the mass flow meter or controller. If a backflow can occur, we also recommend using a filter downstream or a check valve. For particle filtering, Bronkhorst offers inline filter assemblies, which can be screwed directly into the instrument. It contains a 316L stainless steel sintered cartridge, which is interchangeable or can be cleaned out with a suitable solvent. If larger particles are present in the gas stream, we recommend the use of a pre-filter. Our liquid flow meters and controllers require a homogeneous liquid, free from gas bubbles and particulates. The lower the flow rates, the smaller the internal dimensions of our instruments, making them therefore more sensitive to gas bubbles and particulates. Flow meters, valves and pumps may have space where these particulates or gas bubbles tend to accumulate, and you may experience difficulties trying to remove them. So we recommend taking the necessary precautions. So I hope you can see how important it is to keep your fluid clean and how to protect your instrument.